Hey, pretties! Today I've got something super exciting for you. Let's dive in. Loving these hairstyles so far? Then make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a cute and easy look again. And hey, which one has been your favorite so far? Drop it in the comments below. I love seeing which styles you all vibe with most. All right, ready for more? Let's jump into the next look. And that's a wrap on today's hairstyles. I hope you found your new signature look. Which one will you be trying first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cute, easy hairstyles. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and remember, no matter what hairstyle you choose, stay fabulous and keep shining. Until next time, stay stylish and confident.